With your carbon paper, the shiny side must be facing down onto your mount board. Then put your collage on top of this so your carbon paper is sandwiched in between the two things and the shiny side is facing your mount card. Then you need to simply trace, as I am doing here, trace around all of your collage pieces internally as well, as much detail as possible, and with your biro pen you need to be pressing really hard so that you transfer all of those marks onto your mount card. Keep going around all of your objects, get as much internal detail as possible. Unfortunately your wrist will probably start to ache, you do need to be pressing really hard please. Next, take a look at your collage and really think about which shapes you would like to be wallpaper texture. I've decided to use this bone as it's got a lovely rugged texture and I think I've got a textured wallpaper to suit. I then cut this object out really carefully and use it to trace a piece of my wallpaper texture which is exactly the same shape. Do this by placing your shape on top of your wallpaper, both of them right sides facing up. Repeat this for any other shapes that you wish to be textured from your collage. I am now looking back at my collage and I'm thinking about any areas that I would like to print darker. Mainly I'm going to choose areas that are in my background, areas that aren't very detailed and don't need very much texture or mark making to print, areas that I think will suit printing really dark. I'm then going to score around them with my biro extra hard and take a craft knife to carefully lift this section up from the corner and peel it away. This section will then absorb more ink when I print and therefore print darker. Make sure all of your objects and any shading that you want to emphasize is scored really hard into with your biro. Next, have a look for any white spaces that have been left quite close to any other white spaces that could just be quite a boring area. And if you'd like them to print lighter, then go and paint over these with some glue.